Hi, I'm Roger Perez, and I'm here to present the web page that I have developed for the unit programming concepts. And this web page was particularly built for the HD task of the unit. If we start testing the data, I'm going to start with John, and John's email address would be john@xx.com. The number of days he's gonna get the car for is 5 days, and he'll be taking the group A, and he'll be also ticking the button. When we press that, we get the name as John, email as john@xx.com, number of days as 5, group name as A, group description, price per day is 50, excess fee selected true, which is what we selected here, and the payment is 265. By any chance, if John wanted to check whether his data is recorded, he can come here and search John, and similar result will be shown here. John@xx@gmail.com at xx.com. Number of days 5, group name is A, and it's similar to this one. If we search with another data set, we can give for ref. I'll be using my name, and my email address will be ref@xx.com. I'll be borrowing the count for 15 days, and I'll be having group as A, but this time I'm not going to tick the button. I'm going to take the button off. So in this case, the difference will be I'll be getting a error message, not an error message. I'll be getting a message saying excess 2000 will be charged if any damage was caused, and that's mainly because we have not ticked the remove excess button. And also here, the excess fee selected would be shown as false since we have not clicked here. The next data set I'm going to use Bev, and Bev's email address is bev@gmail.com, sorry, xx.com. And Bev will be taking the count 12 days, but this time he'll be taking group B, and he's also not going to tick the button. So I'm expecting a result of 684 here, and next expected I'm getting 684. The price per day is changed now because we selected B, and we'll be getting 60. If we move on to the next set of input, I'm going to put LeBron. LeBron's email address would be lebron@lal.com. He'll be borrowing the cover 20 days. He'll be taking group A, and he'll be ticking the remove access button as well. And when we get the quota, we get 936, which is relatively higher than what we got previously because he's going for 20 days. And rest of the data is similar. As the last example, I'm going to use Davis. And Davis' email address would be davis@xx.com. And Davis will be borrowing the car for 15 days. And he'll not be ticking the button. So I'm expecting a result of 675 here. And as we expect, we get a result of 675. So by any chance, if there is want to compare like how other packages have been performed, you can go here and press list all codes. Now all the codes for the previous clients or the previous data sets were shown here. But since it's not mentioned here, if we search group C here as well, it'll be saying no records found because in the test we didn't put any value which had a group C. So if we check more on the error messages, we can check what will happen if we put nothing as input. It will be saying name should be at least 2 characters in length, invalid email address, enter valid is not an integer, no crowd group was found. So if we enter data, one error message is disappeared. or we just typed something on the email, but still it says invalid email address because a proper email address was not written. Then I'm going to put number of dates, and if I put 1, it will still show an error because there should be more than 1. Now we get only one error message, no car group was selected. That's because we have not clicked it. And if we click all of them and fill all the input, we'll be getting the error, proper output that we expected. And if we put remove access here, the message will be gone, and here will be getting true, and the payment will be little different. And we have also introduced a button called clear form here. By any chance, if we mistakenly write something here, and we don't have to go one by one to remove all, we can just click clear the form button and everything will be cleared. So that's kind of an introduction to the web page that I have developed for this programming concepts unit and for the HD task. Hope you'll enjoyed it. Thank you.